Hey, good morning, chosen one. I'm looking at the actual CME NASDAQ data. Look at the price differences. We're at 15,185 on the CME official data, 15,202 on LMFX, and 15,210 on NYSE. I think I'm getting screwed on some of my TP zones. Gotta pay attention to the actual real data. Look at these markups that brokers do. Who's to say these brokers don't buy the actual asset and they're arbitraging the difference? Hey, good morning, Julian. Good morning, Mash and Sean. It looks like it could go down to 15,100 though. No, I think I'm going to start trading these actual E-mini futures. Good morning, Ganja. I was in a sell, but I decided to get out at around $20 loss because there's a new high made right here. Right here, I was in a sell, like right here. And I got out once price broke this high because it was telling me, okay, we probably ain't going to go down yet. There's a bearish divergence, though. There's a bearish divergence. From might be able to use this trend line as an entry. I'd rather wait. Sean, is that 10 a.m. Eastern? My time. Yeah, I need to hurry up and get my YouTube thumbnail on. Gotta hurry. Glad I got out when I did. Look at this trend. Higher highs, higher lows. Major zone up there, 15 at 229. Damn, there's actually a Kangaroo Tail on the bottom there. Look at that, right on 15,200. Shoots up. Apex Games, I'm in California. We got some big bearish divergence too. If this divergence stays like that for 229 and there's a Kangaroo Tail, this could be an easy opening sell. Bitcoin with a big red candle this morning. Because of China. Fuck China. We'll see hands, we'll see. Approaching a 1 minute resistance. On the 1 hour we got a... On the 1 hour we had the 15,200 zone, of course. Plus 15,100 below. I think we're going to spike up in 1 minute. We got a 1 hour trend line also. Hey, look at that. That 1 hour trend line is actually on 15,229. Plus, if we do break that trend line, we could go up to 15,300. So, whatever this open does, we'll be ready. I think it's gonna get a spike up, and then it'll be for an easy sell. This is the 1 hour trend line too, so it does make sense to see open spike up in 10 seconds. I want to see a spike up. Wow, it did not spike up. Too early to make a decision. A little bit of indecisiveness here. Obviously, price likes right here. It likes this area. Not the kind of opening candle I would want to see. You can't trade that unless you're super scalping. Alright, so approaching the trend line, there we go. That's the pop-up I was looking for. If we get a wick on the next couple candles, I'm going to sell and do a tight stop. The idea will be to catch the sell down back to the open. Not really a big move though. Alright, so it taps there. Either this candle or this next candle, I'm gonna take a shot on a sell. There's the wick. There's two wicks. Those wicks are telling me rejection, right? Rejection? Having a little trouble? Kangaroo Tail? 30 seconds. I'm gonna put a sell in. I'll get out of the trade if we make new highs. I'm out of this fucking trade if we make new highs like right here. I want to see NASDAQ make new lows. Make new lows. Could just bounce off here right away though. I don't want to see price go back up from here. I do not want to see price go back up from here. I'm talking about it's on the 1 hour trend line. I sold off the 1 hour trend line hands. A high on NASDAQ's open. That's not support, that's resistance. My original analysis was NASDAQ would drop down to 15,100. I think I will put break even on this. I will set break even if we retest the hourly. Retest up there and re-entering. Rejection. Hey, what's up, Nighthawk? I still think it's good for a sell until the hourly trend line breaks. This could be the stop candle, you know, stop hunt candle. I'm still bearish. I'll try again. I'll try again. If the hourly trend line breaks, NASDAQ's probably gonna go 15,300. No, I'm out. I may not be bearish anymore. May not be bearish anymore. What, we got 24 minutes for that news? Hold on, I might enter LMFX position. I gotta do a bigger stop. I don't think the 1 minute stop is working out right now. So I'm gonna put in a bigger stop. Hey, good morning, Bob. Yeah, I did a much bigger stop. If anybody is looking for buys, 15,300 will be a target. Guys, we're going to 15,300. We're going to 15,300. I'm not bearish anymore. Closing that too. We're not bearish anymore. We are not bearish anymore. 15,300 is a target. Fuck. I'm not going to FOMO buy, I'm going to wait. Have a little patience. I do not see a buy entry besides hope and pray right here. What's going on today, status? Hey, good morning there, Huey. What has US 30 done? Went straight up. How much does this get a pullback? Give me a buy entry. Give me a buy entry. That's why you don't FOMO buy. Exactly why you don't FOMO buy. You wait. I've been known too many times on candles like that. Looks like we did touch a zone now. Could be a buy right now. What's up, Matasaur? Thanks for that follow. I don't know. I've never used IC. Never used IC. EP is out 15,300. $15,300. I'm adding another position. I want to see new highs made in the next couple candles. Risking 40 for 120. No, 40 for 160. We got to make a new high though. Gotta make a new high. Yeah, Nighthawk. Seems like CME futures data is the most reliant. I mean, here we are on the CME data chart. So we're at 15,200. On N1CM, that's a 500 pip difference. On LMFX, that is a 400 pip difference. So, I mean, that's a big difference. And that can fuck you on TPs. Because you may think you're at a good TP level, but you're not, because you're not on the actual data. I mean, technically, we're trading fake data, right? I mean, they can mark up the difference between what they actually buy it. I don't think this trade is any good if it goes below this wick. Well, to date, I haven't seen any videos of like Hugo's Way taking people's money, N1CM taking people's money. Because if any broker has done that, we would hear about it very, very quickly. Are we protected if they go bankrupt? Absolutely not. We're not. We're not fucking protected. If they go bankrupt, our money could be gone, right? That's the risk we're playing on these brokers. I'm looking at this broker called GFF Brokers. They're based in California. Apparently there's we have a lot more regulated brokers in the United States than I thought. These guys, GFF Brokers, low cost futures and brokerage. You trade straight E-minis, micro Bitcoin. And check this out. They got MetaTrader 4, but they also got 25 other platforms. I tried out Sigma 360 Trader, did the free trial. This shit is nice. Like, that is nice. That data I saw is so smooth. Plus, you can see all the data, the order flow. You can see how many contracts are being bought at each price right now. With MetaTrader 4, we can't see that shit. That's a lot of resistance. I'm not liking that now. A lot of resistance. So I'd rather trade E-minis on the actual NASDAQ 100 data. All right, we're getting slaughtered. I'm getting slaughtered right now. But I don't care, I'm not even mad. How much am I down right now? I'm down 73 right now. We're down 73 right now. I'm still in a buy on a smaller position with a way bigger stop. But the 1 minute is not cooperating right now. Yeah, is Apple flying? I think we need to analyze some Apple right now. NASDAQ's really not giving too much to trade off now. Yeah, let's check some news headlines right now. What is going to go on? I'm looking at Apple, and I think Apple could test the lows. Banks Biden's IRS bank account snooping plan faces. Biden is pissing off the banks now, guys. I don't even think Biden is the actual president. I just think he's a fucking puppet. I'll be seeing news reporters will ask him about the border crisis. And every time they keep walking out of the interview or the conference. I gotta remember too, my original analysis for the morning was a drop to 15,100. And if we get bad news, right? If we get bad news, 15,100 will have no problem being hit. But if it's good news, we're going up to 15,300. Does that make sense, y'all? If good news, we go into 15,300. If bad news, we go into 15,100. I know what we'll do. We'll review the first two trades I took right away. We'll get those on the chart. Review these trades in real time. Oh, took a sell. Took that sell. I don't think that was a bad sell. I went down right away. And then I tried to, what do we do here? We bought here at the retest of this area. I don't think they were high quality trades. Nah, Teak, I'm in doubt. I'm not really seeing high quality setup. I mean, there's bullish divergence. That's about the only thing I see. There's a trend line there though. You got news in 9 minutes. This could be a buy, but it's on resistance. 15,229 is resistance. But there's bullish divergence. But I don't want to buy on resistance. Definitely not. If you wanted to get in a trade, you could use that trend line as a stop loss. See what happens on the news in 8 minutes. Watch this one be the trade that jumps to 15,300. It always works like that. The trades you don't take when you do analysis on it take off. How's USD CAD been doing? Let's take a look at it. For news will probably affect it, right? Bearish divergence on USD CAD. Haven't put it. Last time we put in a trade on USD CAD, we made $500. Last time. And it was a 10-hour trade. We risked 50. We risked 50 for 500. Just remove that trend line. Move these lines. Let's clean this chart up. 15,200 looks like a zone. I'm thinking there's going to be bad news today. New Apple heading straight down. I mean, that's clear as fucking day, right? That's clear as day that Apple is going to retest there. I was looking at that broker right here. This broker, Tradizo. This is Apple spread on the 1 minute versus like something like N1CM, but there's a catch. On this broker, Tradizo, the commission is $15. $15 per lot. Maybe I gotta try scalping some Apple one day. Ooh, that's a pretty good risk reward there. $30 for 140. But I don't think that's a high quality sell right there, obviously. I do not think that's a high quality sell. Good risk reward, shitty setup. I think we got to have these zones marked up. The low of the day and the high. Yeah, this is a horrible, horrible area to enter a buy or sell. Basically smack dab in the middle of the high and the low of the day. Low of the day, high of the day. New high made, which is going to send a lot of FOMO buyers right now, right? A lot of FOMO buyers right now. I'm not one of them. I'm okay with missing the train. 15,300 is right here. And one bad thing about MetaTrader 4 is the numbers are too small. Like, we don't have the ability to make these bigger. Come on, that's a basic fucking feature we need. Come on, I want to see the FOMO buyers get owned right now. 15,300 might get smacked though. Bearish divergence was just made. Keep this in mind. Bearish divergence was just made. If there's any kangaroos, we're selling. 100%. Did any of you enter the FOMO buy? Let me hear it. Or did any of you enter down on this trend line? Yeah, see? I was almost going to buy that, but I was using resistance as an excuse to not enter right there. So, I mean, I can't complain about having a good setup. That would have been a tight stop loss. But look at what it did. No more divergence. Hey, good morning, Fuse. Not the best. I'm down about 100. Down about 100 a day. I don't think it had anything to do with being a Friday. I just gotta figure out why did I lose 100. There's definitely some good setups though. Like this one off that trend line. Boom. I did not take the trade. I gotta start taking more of those trades. I don't think I'm gonna mess with a $20,000 account on MetaTrader 4 again. Let's get a B on a futures broker, I feel it. I mean, if I can trade the CME data directly, then why do I need to trade indices on MetaTrader? I'm gonna be doing some hard thinking, and I might be doing a complete platform switch. Plus, at least on these full, complete order flow brokers, we can see how many contracts are being bought. We don't get any of that info on MetaTrader. Yeah, that's why I'm considering GFF brokers. You can not only trade MetaTrader 4, but you can choose to trade on TradingView and like 20 other platforms. Low cost futures and forex broker. So it's a futures broker, it's also MetaTrader. Trade the actual E-minis. I think that's pretty cool how you can trade on TradingView if you want, MetaTrader, and these other professional platforms. You got your choice. I think this shit is gonna dump. I'm not seeing any good setups though. I do not see a setup. I feel like you could enter a sell, have a stop here, but I don't like that setup because it's not a setup. As it is, we got a bearish Kangaroo Tail. Could this be a massive bull trap? People put in a lot of buys right now. Alright. If we make the right decision here in the next couple minutes, it'll either be a profitable day or we continue going down the hole. Look at that spike. We got a trend line. It could just plummet down. I think it's a sell. Oh fuck, I'm entering the sell. like that hourly rejection so far. Apple still has not touched the low either. What's up, AO? You think I'm gonna get slaughtered here? Maybe. Apple could be going down. We'll do stops on this. TP is for 15,200 zone. If Apple gets one more bearish candle here and it fills that low, we probably are gonna hit TP. But if Apple retests this high, then we lose this trade. Simple as that. What's it gonna be, guys? Apple new high or Apple new low? Yeah, I still use Kangaroo Tails. There just has not been a Kangaroo Tail today at all. Not one Kangaroo Tail. There was one on NASDAQ at, what time was it? Right here, this Kangaroo right here. I wasn't on the charts at that time, but if I was, I probably would enter that. Yeah, US 30. Only had one Kangaroo Tail at the top there. When I get my new stream room built up, we're going to be doing longer streams. We'll be doing, I'll get back to the Forex sessions, get back to doing the nightly Kangaroo Tail scans for Forex pairs. Because I had a couple good $500 trades financing Kangaroos with the Roo scan, but I've been lazy in my Forex scan game since the broker change. The in-gap broker change fucked me up. Hey, what's up, Smooth Vaporator? Thanks for that follow. Alright, there's some other stocks going down right now. So if Apple fills that gap, I mean, we're definitely smashing fucking TP. Thanks for that follow as well, AO. AO, if I said that right. We'll put a stop on that wick. Price could go back up and touch. Alright, Apple's pushing up, green candle, not what we wanted to see. We're up a whopping $47. We want TP though. Wait, is Biden talking on the news too right now? Hey, we got a Kangaroo Tail, bearish Kangaroo Tail. It would be a continuation one. Interesting. It touches that trend line. Touches the 1 hour trend line. Ooh, that's a super bullish candle too. Super bullish. US set break even. No, I think we fucking wait. Well, that's not the high of the day. Let's change that now. Alright. Apple needs to bust this fucking wick right now. It needs to bust this area right now. We're in this price area for way too long. We need Apple to bust this support right here, right now. Come on, Apple. Come on, Apple. Kind of a good sign, but not a big candle yet. There we go, Apple. There we go, Apple. Can it fill that low, though? Can it fill that low? We are on major support, too. 15,229. So, it's going to be tough to break through there. Set on break even now. Set and break even because these candles have not moved for the last 5 candles. Yeah, staying at the support for way too long, AO. Not too confident about the drop anymore. Apple. I heard a trader say, don't make excuses for losses on Mondays and Fridays. He said, every day is a trap day. It's our job to figure out what's going on a Friday or Monday. Not to trade less on a Friday or Monday, but to figure out what are the best setups on a Monday or Friday. Because they certainly aren't the best setups that we see like on a Tuesday or Wednesday. Like where we would just quickly rally down to a zone. Here we ain't really rallying. You know, I'm seeing the broker price manipulation in real time right now. Here we are on the official CME mini data. Okay, we're at 1528. Now the price difference is only 147 pips. Let's check out LMFX's difference. LMFX's difference is about 150 pips. Hey, good morning, entry wizards. My new office setup, I'm gonna have a total of 3 screens plus a laptop, so 4 total screens. We got to be paying attention to the real price of NASDAQ, the real price of US 30, not the markups that Forex brokers give us. I don't feel like I've really been trapped today. I'm only in a $100 drawdown. We at break even there. Yeah. Maybe MASH, maybe. Calculations are CFDs versus futures. You say I'm missing a long? Let's find out. I don't mind putting in another buy. I'll put a trade in on LMFX bonus account, and we'll see if we make new highs. Yeah, maybe I should just close $50 profit. We'll do that. If it goes $50 in profit, I'll close it. The main long I missed was when I did that markup on that trend line. Only reason I'm down $100 right now is because I did not take this setup that I saw. I did not trade what I saw. I let the 3 previous losses prevent me from entering right there. Subconscious losses, y'all. Subconscious is deadly. Why the fuck is there a delay on that? You're telling... What the fuck? You're telling me this whole fucking time this chart has been delayed? Why the fuck is... Someone tell me why that shit's delayed 10 minutes on TradingView? EKZ, that's hilarious. That's fucking hilarious. There I was thinking prices were around 500, 600 pip differences. Goddamn, I feel like I'm in kindergarten. I feel like I'm in kindergarten learning about futures now. What the fuck? M? I don't think it's a buy. There is a bullish Kangaroo Tail that just printed though. Bullish Kangaroo Tail. Doesn't make a new high or drop back down to 15,229. Oh, so they want you to pay for the data. They want you to pay for it. You get the top quality data, huh? All right, well, let's look at that candle up here. So this candle was 15,260. Up here is 15,279. So almost a 200 pip difference in price. I think it's a sell, but when you look at these two kangaroos back to back, makes it interesting. You know, I'm gonna try some scalp entries with super tight stops. I'm making a mistake because I see an M. I just talked about trading what you see. Patience. Patience. Taking a shot. I can't watch this shit drop after marking up a fucking M. TP at the bottom. I'll get out of this trade if it makes a new high right here on this candle. Could be my last trade of the morning. If it don't win, I'm done trading. Two-hour trade, risking 50 for 100. Closing out all my buys on LFX, just took another $60 loss. Closing all that shit. It's gonna be the final trade of the morning. Sane's trade, I'm using N1CM and LMFX. I'm down 160 for the morning right now. If this TP hits, I'm only down 60 for the morning. If this TP hits, I'll keep trading. We're gonna get rid of this 1 hour trend line. It's making my chart way too messy. I'm gonna add on another position. If it goes above there, I'm getting out that second one. No. I wanted red right away. I'm getting to that point of feeling very, very frustrated, which means I'm going to... My judgment's going to be clouded. If I see a good setup, I'm going to probably miss it. I'm feeling that very, very flustered feeling right now. Very flustered. I would use them, but their margin is ridiculous on indices. Osprey, margin is ridiculous. You need a $300 account minimum just to place one micro. A lot of people don't even got a $300 account to even play with. A lot of new people have $100, $200 to play with, and they can't even dip their feet in the US 30 or NASDAQ. That's why I've stayed away from like Osprey. I don't like to mess with the brokers that have 100 contracts on indices. Higher, I mean, there's no reason to be trading 100 contracts. Absolutely no reason. Unless you got like a fucking $100,000 account or something. 1 to 10 contracts is plenty. Yeah, I need to start trading more Forex too. Diversify my trades. Margin was 35 on that. I was just double checking margin on a 1 micro lot. So yeah, you see, you only need $30 in margin right there to place a NASDAQ trade. So people on Osprey are missing out. They got a smaller account and want to dip their feet into some NASDAQ trades. $35 margin. I haven't placed a US 30 trade in probably 2 months. I'm getting out. I'm not letting it hit fucking stop loss. We might have to finish the day down 180. Yeah, lost 102 on N1CM. Lost 73 on LMFX. I will tell you this much though. A losing day on stream makes it feel 10 times worse than if I did it by myself. Feels 10 times more annoying. Let's put it that way. You want to fucking win in front of your viewers, right? But I got my fucking ass kicked today. I admit it. Guys, we need more mornings like these $400 an hour, $300 an hour, 500 in 2 hours. We need more of these. We need more. We need more of these highlights. How do we get them more often? I can't believe this video only had fucking 300 views. We made $500 on a bullish flag. Like some of my videos, I think they deserve thousands and thousands of views for. I mean, it's live trading. It's live trading. Not like motherfuckers like this who claim they made millions and millions of dollars. Yeah, like this guy who they claim they make millions and millions of dollars. Yet the biggest fucking trade on their page is an $11,000 trade. People on YouTube like bullshit more than the real shit. Yeah, Joe, I'm gonna keep grinding. I'm gonna keep grinding. Yep, we should buy some fake chains. I should say I live in a $1 million house. Even though I do live in a $1 million house, but that's because California real estate is fucked. I do not show off my house. I could definitely do a lifestyle video in here, but I will not. I mean, I got a nice pool, we got a nice fireplace, we got a nice bar, but I don't fucking share that. I do not share it at all. There's no need to. What you see is my stream room, and my chart, and my green screen. Yep, I would consider moving to Nevada. Is NASDAQ going to try to make a play off this trend line? But look, these pushes ups are getting smaller. By the way, keyword was, I said I live in a $1 million home. Didn't say I bought it. Didn't say I bought it. Alright, let's look at this. Let's look at this. I mean, is this getting smaller? Yep, I've yeah, hands, I cannot forget the can't forget the fake Rolex. Well, hobby damn. Seconds after I do that markup? Whew. Could be a trap though. Could be a seller's trap. Never mind, it's not gonna be a seller's trap. Right when I noticed it too. Right when I noticed it, it breaks out. That is funny. Oh my god, that hurts. Soon as I noticed the markup, like within seconds, it smashed 15 to 29. Yeah, they got a little, yeah, Nevada has some good taxes, but maybe not so much on the housing prices. I know a lot of people in California are moving to places like Idaho. I think that's how a professional trades actually. Noticing shit like this right at the right time, entering their sell. They could put a stop above that previous high, right? You could put a stop right here. EP, right at that zone. And that's at least 3 Rs. You can get at least 3 Rs out of that. But because I was a noob, I noticed it like seconds right before it happened. Seconds. So NASDAQ. Fridays are a little more trickier, but there are setups. There are some really good setups. I just didn't catch them. Yep, Saints, exactly. Newly developed neighborhood. Buy it low, sell that shit high, right? I feel like if I buy a house outright, I want to buy it in cash. I want to buy that shit in full. That one professional Forex trader, Anton Krail, he said, you rent to buy. Save enough money, make enough money until you can actually buy a house. Outright. Not get smacked for 15, 30 years on interest. NASDAQ retest instantly. I got a video call with these guys at 1 today. I'm going to figure out how their integration with MetaTrader 4 works. Whether you can trade on TradingView and MetaTrader with the same account, that makes sense. See how the hell that would even work. You said that's a break and retest looking? Yep. I think what I'm going to do after I get off stream, I'm going to review every single trade I took this week. We were up profits early in the week, and I think now we finished the week break even actually. Oh, the 20th? I'll report. Ooh, I had a rough week on N1CM's account. Absolutely rough week. Finished on N1CM down 207. 26 trades. Ooh, that was brutal. 23% fucking win rate. And on our LMFX account, we took 12 trades, won 41%, 308, so we finished the week up $101. $101 with a 25% win rate. Well, we had a good Monday, good Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, not so good. Not so good. Well, I mean, I guess with that low of a win rate, because all my wins were bigger than my losses, we come out with a profit. How do we have a better week next week? This week we average $20 profit per day. The good thing is it's not a complete loss. But every Friday, we'll be showing the MT4 statements. We'll show every fucking trade. Every trade. Till I can duplicate those YouTube highlights more and more often. Yeah, I know you did, Alexandra. It's all good though. Yep, nothing like jazz music saying trades. It makes a losing morning a little better. Yeah, hell yeah, Jordan. You should watch on 2x speed too. If anybody does watch my recordings, put YouTube on 2x speed or 3x and look at any of the trades we took. I guarantee you, if you guys see me lose, you can learn from those mistakes. See, I'm not sure because look at, I mean, price has been stalled here for so long. So long here. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back up because look at Apple now. Yeah, I will not be surprised if we see NASDAQ go back up. Yep, stock market. A lot of people focus on like, oh, I got a 80% win rate. I got a 90% win rate. But they ain't making their wins bigger than their losses. What I can't stand is the Telegram hypers that put out trades with 0.7 risk rewards. Like you're risking $1 to make 70 cents. Come on, I want to have 2 hours at least. Well, I think the sellers just got trapped right there if anybody tried to sell on this candle. Huge bearish candle, and we go up immediately. I mean, wouldn't it make sense, okay, if people are in their sells, they're getting out of their spots, right? I think price could go back up. The Apple has bounced off here. 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th touch. Yep, Eco Snipes, thanks for tuning in here. Hands, you might have a point. You might have a point. But I still want to do a couple scam videos. Still want to do some more exposing. Has Mr. Swag ever shown a MT4 statement? Has Swag actually ever shown proof that he's profitable? I mean, the dude was on a fucking MTV reality show. So, I don't know how people feel about that. Oh yeah, Swag is completely full of shit, yo. Completely full of shit. Like, come on. Just go to his video. His last video is $47,000 a month penthouse tour. Like, come on. Come on, bro. Fucking scammer. Yeah, this motherfucker is a straight up scammer, yo. Swag Academy? I call it the Bullshit Academy. Inside tour of my 40... Shut the fuck up, dude. Shut the fuck up, dude. You are full of shit. Oh my god, I don't even need to watch his videos to know he's full of shit and a scammer. I just think if people claim to be millionaire traders, like, show us some trading statements. Think about it. Think about it. If they show actual trading statements, wouldn't that only boost their business? It would boost their followers. Like, think about it, guys. Okay, if I'm a real millionaire trader, I'm gonna be having $5,000, $10,000 mornings, right? I'm not to that level yet. That's why you see me. Hey, I'll have $100 last days. I'll have $200 last days, and then I'll have a $500 win. Yep, exactly, Jordan. It's not hard to show withdrawals. I could deposit $50,000 in Bitcoin on a broker, then withdraw that money and show a screenshot and be like, "Yo, guys, I just made 50,000. I just withdrew 50,000." Yeah, exactly. If you're a millionaire trader, you'd probably be making so much money, you'd probably get bored of making videos. Maybe not, okay? If I become a millionaire trader, I'll keep streaming. I will always keep streaming. Until I die. Yeah, Himanshu, what did you post? What is that? Yeah, Sans, I think that's the biggest difference. If what these people are actually teaching, if it actually helps them, then maybe they are legit if they don't show the statement. Who knows? What about the guy Day Trade Warrior? Is Day Trade Warrior a good trader? I've only seen his ads. Day Trade Warrior. Wow, he had a $30,000 losing day. Okay, this dude is showing some losses. It's just not all highlights. Wow, he's actually showing some pretty bad losing days. Just looking at this guy's videos, I think he's legit if he's gonna be showing a lot of losing videos. Yeah, Jay. There's been a lot of kangaroos today, just not on some entries, you know? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Wow, he's actually showing his losing trading statement. He's actually showing it. I see it right up there in the left-hand corner. Yeah, this is what separates legit traders from real ones, when they're sharing your losses. So, I give props to anybody on YouTube who's showing losses. Guys, earlier I said I was not surprised. I was not surprised if NASDAQ would go back up. Look at that. Apple just ranging. Guys, we might need to be taking some scalps on Apple, but I can't scalp it with that spread. Absolutely cannot. But some phenomenal, I mean, sometimes when you look at Apple, it looks like it's easier to trade than NASDAQ at times, depending on the market is. My biggest loss in the morning was an accidental $500 in 15 seconds. My lot size went crazy. I was only supposed to enter 2 lots, but I entered 20 lots. Entered 20 lots. I looked down at my account. I'm like, fuck. I got that on a live stream too. Like, I clicked 2, and for some reason my keyboard glitched out, and it did 20 lots. I clicked sell, and I was an instant drawdown of like $300. I had to close immediately, or my account would have been blown. I didn't realize it until about 20 seconds after I entered the trade, Ganja. I look at my account, I'm like, fuck. That was actually, yeah, that was my biggest loss ever. An accidental fuck up. Yeah, there was a good chance it could have dropped too. I could have made $1,000 in 2 minutes. I guarantee you that's happened to some traders. They've entered 20 lots on accident, and immediately price went in their direction and they closed like, oh fuck. I guarantee you that's happened. Ganja, do you think that clip is YouTube worthy? How I lost $500 in 15 seconds? Let me know if you guys think I should do that video. How I lost $500 in 15 seconds. I tried to play it off cool because I was on a collab stream with A1 Trading, and I couldn't go apeshit. I could not go apeshit. If I was not on his stream, I would have broke some shit. Like, what are the odds it would happen on the morning I'm doing my first collab stream? And we had like 100 people watching. No, Jay, I don't. I missed a couple good setups that I marked up, but besides that, no, I'm not in any positions right now. We've basically been at the mercy of Apple ranging. Pretty sure it was this one. It was this one, May 27th. Let's see. Yeah, this is definitely the one. Miles said it looked like he risked 400. View said I would die. He casually says it looked like he risked 400. That was the one. That was the one. It looks like you risked 400. Hey guys, I'm getting pretty hungry. I'm not trading. I'm probably just gonna hop off right now. We'll finish the week up $101. Next week, let's shoot for a $500 week next week. Yeah, I'm gonna stream some Call of Duty today, Ganja, for sure. I'm gonna go make some eggs and sausage and hash browns. But y'all, I'll see y'all Monday morning. You can come hang out later if you want to see me play some Call of Duty live, but besides that, I'm gonna get off now. Oh, y'all, I will catch y'all Monday morning. Let's get back to it. See ya, Arab Peace.